From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Jacob Riley.
Well, in case you didn't know, it was a very crazy day here in the weather world across the South Plains. We had confirmed tornadoes, including this one in Post. A special thanks to Shay Cohen for sending this picture in from just to the south of Post there in Garza County. We had a tornado warning storm for multiple hours that pretty much was stationary over southern portions of Garza County. So again, a very active severe weather day today, and it looks like we'll see more of that tomorrow. In Idalou, we had a dust tornado. This actually moved through the Lubbock metro area as well. We saw some gusty winds, a peak wind speed of about 63 miles an hour here in Lubbock this afternoon. We also saw some more hail across town. The largest hail report here for the city of Lubbock was 1.5 inches in diameter. That's about the size of a ping pong. These hailstones near 136 and Avenue L look to be about that size, if not closer to a golf ball size, around 1.75 inches there. And in Plainview near Wayland Baptist University, notice it looks like a tea pitcher full of some quarter to maybe even $half size hailstones there. The largest hailstone in the area was up to about 3 inches in diameter, and that occurred in Silverton on off to the north and east of the Lubbock metro area. Even at South Loop University, continuing to see some more of those larger hailstones that occurred with today's storms. But out there tonight, conditions are improving. We're taking a live look right now from the top of the tower back on off towards the north and west. The road right here you see on the bottom left of your screen is South Loop 289. Conditions are improving across the area tonight. But again, it looks like they will go back downhill as we head into your Sunday tomorrow. Out there tonight, all of the activity well on off to the east of the Lubbock metro area. No active watches or warnings for our viewing area in the South Plains, so that is definitely some good news for us. As we take a look at the local storm reports across the area, what you'll notice a slew of hail and damaging wind reports here, and there are our tornado reports down in Garza County. Also in Garza County, we had a section of Highway 669 that was completely washed out due to some of the high flooding that we've seen down there in Garza County near the Graham Mesonet site, recording nearly 7 inches of rainfall in just a matter of 3 hours. So that is definitely the culprit for why we saw that flash flooding there today. So as we take a look at our future forecast model, what it shows is the shower and storms pushing out of our area tonight, which is lining up fairly well with that idea. As we go overnight tonight, we'll see those clouds build back in, and then notice tomorrow evening around 5 to 6 o'clock, more storm initiation occurs, and it looks like we will see the threat for damaging winds, large hail, isolated tornadoes, and unfortunately some more of that flash flooding across the area. All of the regions in yellow you see here, including the city of Lubbock, under a level 2 slight risk. Just for reference, that's the exact same threat level that we saw across the area today. So a lot more of the same modes of severe weather will be expected for your Sunday tomorrow. Tornadoes, we can't rule those out. Hail up to the size of baseballs will be possible. Wind gusts around 70 to 80 miles an hour, and that flash flooding is definitely going to be possible, or especially for the areas that saw more of that heavy rainfall today. So once that system moves out next week, we have a low pressure system just kind of begin to stall out over our area. What that's going to do is bring us afternoon shower and storm chances pretty much every single day next week. In terms of how much rainfall we could see, check this out, almost 2 inches of rain in Childress, around 6/10 of an inch here in Lubbock. But again, all of that could change, especially if we see those stronger storms move through tomorrow. Some locations, like we saw today, could pick up several inches of rainfall in a matter of just a few hours. Over the next 6 to 10 days, notice the Climate Prediction Center is keeping us in that above average chance for precipitation across the South Plains. And thanks to those increased rain chances, what we're going to see are some cooler temperatures across the area. Overnight tonight, those lows a little bit above average, falling into the upper 50s and lower 60s across the area. Winds a bit gusty at times out of the south. Tomorrow, a high of 88 degrees. Severe storms likely once again during the afternoon and evening hours. But Matthew, by the time Monday rolls around, it looks like that severe weather threat will diminish and highs will remain in the middle to upper 70s. So for a change of pace, it looks like we're going to actually be below average for this time of year.
So probably good if you didn't get your car washed this weekend, huh?
Yeah, probably you're not going to need it done for a little while longer too.
So tomorrow about what time should we expect?
Probably pretty similar to what we saw today. We'll begin to see those storms pop up between 2 and 4 p.m. in the afternoon.
Okay.
I'll be getting in here around noon or so to get the forecast ready for all of our viewers and to make sure we all stay safe again tomorrow during the severe weather threat.
And when he says noon, he probably means more like 11 o'clock. Jacob's on.
Probably.
Thanks, Jacob. Sports is up next.